Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by ensuring the basics are ready. First, check that your iPhone's iOS is up to date because location services behavior can change with updates. Once done, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap Location Services. This is where the system-level toggle lives. You need the NFL app installed and signed in so you can set app-specific permissions next. Make sure Location Services is on. If it's off, turn it on now so the app can request precise location data. Now you focus on the NFL app entry. Scroll down the Location Services list until you find NFL, then tap it to reveal permission options. Choose while using the app if you want access only when it's visible, or always if you need background location for notifications. The app will behave differently depending on this choice. Also toggle precise location on so the app can show nearby games, blackout status, and local streams accurately. You're configuring both privacy and functionality in one step. Finish by applying and verifying your changes. Force quit the NFL app and relaunch it. This prompts the app to re-request your newly granted permissions. Make sure background app refresh and notifications for NFL are enabled in settings because they interact with location-based features. If you still see incorrect behavior, restart the iPhone or toggle location services off and on to clear any system-level hiccups. If problems persist, revoke and re-grant permissions. That often resets the app's
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.